how you can change your text font in Claude AI. So all you're gonna need to do is to open your Claude app, and we're gonna open your settings in the left down corner area. Click on your profile. Now we want to open settings at the top, and next step is to make sure that you are in general at the top and scroll down until you find chat font. There are 3 of them and dyslexic friendly, so you can choose which you want. So one is default, one is sans, and system. So if you got system, you can go back and it looks like normal font. I like the Claude default one because I like this more. There is also sans, but it looks normal. And there is also dyslexic friendly, and it looks like this. So if you have any dyslexia problems, this should help you. I don't have that problem, but I like that font. So it's basically it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.